Hey guys, it's Don. Welcome to Don't Worry, I'm Finite. So, if you saw my video last week, I'll put it up here. We were caught in the rain, and unfortunately when I got back, my camera had gotten wet because I didn't have it in the proper covering. Can't get much wetter. So this is totally my fault, but my camera got wet. It's gotten wet before. I've shot many rainy events with it, and I've taken it on hikes when it was raining. I always try to keep it covered or in a bag or something, but this time I don't know how effective the rice method is, but a lot of people said that they had success, so I gave it a try. So now I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that it still has some life left in it after a week of sitting on the shelf in this pot full of rice. It's uncooked rice. Well, I'm dreading what it might be, but let's find out. Here we go. Nobody really talks about what you're supposed to do to get the rice out of all the places. Alright, did a brief look with the flashlight. No rice in any places I can see right now. So, moment of truth. Gonna put that battery in, put the lens on. Really hope with me, everyone. I know you're gonna be watching this after the fact, but you know, hopes from the future can be helpful, I think. Lens is on, that's closed, battery. All right, all comes down to this. Will it turn on? I see the battery light blinking. That's a good sign. I just put a dead battery in there. I think that's a good sign. The on-off switch is a little sticky, but I can deal with that. Battery number 2. That's why it's always good to have a backup battery. It's probably an amazing angle, by the way. All right. Here we go one more time. Oh. Oh. Okay, well. All right, just took a 2-second exposure of my GoPro, but it's taking pictures. Let's take a look at this screen. Well, there's no card in the camera, so it doesn't matter. Oh. Look at that, that's good news. All right, well, whether it was time or rice or something completely different, it appears that it's kind of working. I think it might have some other issues. Seems like the touch screen is activating itself. But it's working. Hey, you know what? I think if there's any issues, hopefully they can be fixed easier than a camera that doesn't turn on at all. Anyway, that's all. Quick, easy video. I was very worried. I'm going to be more careful in the future. I'm going to make sure I take my dry bag with me, or at least a plastic bag or a trash bag or something. I usually have a cover that I put the camera in when it rains or when it gets wet in any way. This time I didn't do it. Totally my mistake. That's on me. It's an expensive mistake to learn. I've learned quite a few of them in my life. So don't do that. Thanks for watching, and learn from my mistakes.